Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a portal in Unity. I have a player with a rigid body 2D and a box collider 2D. I also have a few ground pieces that are part of my level. They just have a box collider 2D as well. Lastly, I have two portals. One's an orange portal and one's a blue portal. They both are glowing. Check out my video on how to make a glow effect. I'm just gonna add two box colliders to those. Make them trigger. And I'm going to size them out a bit. Now I'll create a script and delete the two starting texts. I'll make a new public game object called the receiver. This is going to be the object the other portal is going to teleport to. I'll make a public float called the distance. This is going to be the distance from the portal that you need to be to teleport, so the portal doesn't teleport over and over again. Now I'm going to make a onTrigger into 2D. I'll put an if statement in there. It's going to do some math to calculate how far away the player is from the portal, and see if he should be teleported. Now I'm gonna make another if statement. I'll check if the player has the tag player, because we don't want to teleport objects like the ground. Inside that if statement, I'm going to teleport the player to the other portal. Now let's go back into Unity. Make sure to make the player tagged as a player, and set the receiver for one portal to the opposite one. Once that's done, let's test it and see if it works.